Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to turn off Google Assistant on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Google and click on All Services. Scroll down and click on Search Assistant and Voice. Scroll down and click on Google Assistant. After click on Google Assistant, and after click on Google Assistant, scroll down and click on General and click on this. If you want to turn off Google Assistant, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, Google Assistant is turned off. Go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.